Hi folks, it's John from LastChanceAutoRestore.com. I'm standing beside this Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe. We're way behind in videos and I apologize. The latest video that we shared with you was the car body that was painted and the stripes and the numbers on the doors and on the back. And then this is an intro. We're going to basically play catch up here. So this is the hood finished. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause here for a moment and we'll go through a little slideshow showing the steps to get to this level, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back at the Factory 5 65 Coupe. So you can see in the photos, it was quite a bit of work because after all of the body work was done on the car, we have this nice white striping on top of the blue. Pardon me. So we've got this custom blue pearl paint. It's unfortunate that we'll have to shoot another video in the sun showing off the paint. But so with the blue paint, they painted the whole thing first. The bottom side is all black, which we'll share with you in another video. And then they did the blue on the outside, and then we masked everything off for the white. So they made a lot of measuring and masking and then painted all of the white. And it's a little tricky, as you can see, with our, some people refer to that as a gumball circle. So they masked all that out, and then they sprayed and masked all the blue, and then painted all of the white. And then once that was done, then they masked everything off so that we could paint the number 18 in black. So then they painted the 18, then removed all the masking, and then with the hood still off the car, then they clear coated it. So we've got this premium clear coat. It's a very high gloss finish, and it's got, I think, 4 coats on it. So now that that's been done, there's a lot of progress on that car since the hood. So what we'll do in our next video is we'll do a walk around this car because it's almost ready to be delivered to the client. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from LastChanceAutoRestore.com.